So in this video we're going to plate the curried crab salad from the fine dining starter menu. Everything is assembled in this one kit, so it's quite easy to plate. We're just going to take out the crab salad mix, plonk it straight onto the plate, and then we're just going to roughly spread it around with a spoon. We don't need to make it a perfect circle. And then we take our torched cucumber and we'll randomly arrange a few of these around the salad. Take compressed apple. These have been marinated in a little lemon juice, so they're going to be very sharp and citrusy. We'll put some with the green part facing up and some down. Just put them randomly around the salad. Then we'll take the curried mayonnaise. We'll just snip a little bit off the end of the piping bag, and then we're going to just pipe some dots of this around, some big, some small, all around the plate. There's plenty in the bag, so you can serve a bit more on the side if you want. We have our rye toasts, our curry oil, and our coriander cress. So first of all, we're just going to dress the rest of the salad with the curried oil. And just start in the middle and work our way around and get right to the edge. And take a few leaves of our coriander cress. So it's going to add a nice fresh flavour. Just lay it around. If we take the toast out of the bag, and we'll lean them up against some of the garnishes just to help them stand up. This gives the salad a nice bit of height. Our last crisp we'll just stick at the back. And there we've got our curried crab salad with rye toast and compressed cucumber.